Hi, today we're going to have a demonstration of the May Bookcraft bookmark making. These supplies you'll want to gather along with the paper bag you picked up at the library. You'll need a paper punch, a glue stick, scissors, and maybe a writing instrument of any kind. In your bag, you will find 2 bookmarks, a piece of a book, 4 strips of laminate, 2 cute ribbons, and a most adorable daisy, and a little baggie of goodies. Empty out your baggie of goodies. Oh, this one has an extra ribbon. And just start to put your ideas together. I like to see a little of the book page in each one. Play around with your ideas. I have some already cut out with my idea to make this a little quicker. But I used some book page. I'm going to do a base here. And then I think I'm going to use some of these cutouts. I made these circles myself. I just cut them right out of one of these. Circles don't have to be perfect. Flowers never are. And also when you're designing something, you'll probably find that you like an odd number. It's just usually a little more pleasing than an even number when you're setting up your arrangement. So play around with your things till you see something you like. Whoops. Well, it's odd now because I just went to the floor. And I need one more circle. And that's going to be my little base. Take your glue stick when you're ready. You only need a tiny bit. You just need it to stay long enough for you to get the piece of laminate on. And pop your things on. Remember, you're going to put a paper hole punch about a 1/2 inch down, so you don't want your design to have to get punched. And we're going to pretend that they're all on. One other thing I want to tell you is adorable with your paper punch. If you want to make a few little divots, then you can spend some time making really cute little flowers, freeform. So there's as many ideas as you can possibly come up with. When you have what you like, I'm going to do that one. You can do the back side if you like. Once you're happy with your design, take one piece of the mylar, which does not come off that easily, and smooth it over the top of the bookmark. Don't press it too hard to the table so that you can lift it off. Once you've smoothed out any bubble, lift it up and put the other mylar on. This one's a little trickier. Take your time to line it up more or less. Smooth it out. And then I trimmed it to about a 1/16 to an 1/8 of an inch, and there's almost a little guideline to follow of an air pocket. You can draw on these. You can use pen or pencil or marker. You can write your name or to who it's for, or put some stems and details on. You can really spend much more time than we're doing in this demo. That got a little crooked, but anything that can go wrong can get fixed. When you're done, with both mylars on both sides, then put your paper punch through. And you can take a ribbon, fold it in half, and poke it through. An inch or so till you have enough. You can bring the tails around and pull them through the loop. And pull it snug. And then there's one daisy in each bag. We didn't have quite enough for 2. So pick which bookmark you'd like it on. And I just looped it through one of the loops. It was enough. quilt strings through and tied a little knot. And that's an adorable tassel. So lots of ways you can make your bookmarks. Endless, endless ways of making a bookmark. Enjoy, have fun.